So we are here in STI College Marikina for a two-day event. We brought in Anthony Law of NEM Malaysia. He's the technical trainer. What we did here is we did Blockchain 101 and NEM 101 on day 1 and introduced the API as well. And on day 2, we encouraged the students to explore the Nano Wallet and develop some applications.
The purpose of this workshop is to empower the students and learn the blockchain technology, because we believe the Filipinos are really great when it comes to innovations and trends. And with NEM, we believe that we can be the forefront, especially Filipinos, for this kind of technology.
I think the name of the
I'm very happy to be invited to Philippines, to the school, to training the college students how to use NEM technologies to build the prototype. And this is very exciting because we see a lot of new ideas come from a student. Something made me very surprised is about they can build their prototype in 1 day using NEM technology. So which means NEM technology is really easy to apply no matter you are enterprise or student. And I hope all the students can get a very good knowledge and keep forward in the futures and do something great project.
This is a very eye-opening and a very good opportunity for my fellow Filipino developers or soon-to-be developers to explore the power of the NEM blockchain technology.
I think blockchain is the future of technology because that's the first technology that focuses on decentralization, which gives back the power, the data control to the users. I personally know that NEM blockchain can be easily learned even by students or beginner programmers. So I suggest that everyone try NEM blockchain.
I heard blockchain a long time ago, but this is my first time doing it on my own. Creating my own wallet and then managing my own wallet. Actually, it's amazing. An amazing experience wherein you're the one who's controlling everything instead of you're the one being controlled by someone. Being exposed to this kind of technology opens my mind to a new and different approach on creating systems that might be helpful in the long run.
At first, when I discovered NEM, nagtaka ko kasi may mga namespace siya, mosaics, kasi smart assets na hindi ko pa na-encounter sa ibang blockchain eh. So para sa akin, intriguing siya. Tapos pagdating naman doon sa API, ang daming language na available, yun, smooth yung experience. Sana mas maraming taong makaalam nun, lalo na sa mga estudyante. Sana ma-introduce din to sa mga schools kasi mahirap kapag napagsiwanan tayo. Feeling ko kasi blockchain yung future. NEM is a great cryptocurrency, walang inflation, great support sa mga developer, clean yung documentation, tapos strong yung foundation nila.
I would like to thank NEM Philippines for coming over, for sharing their knowledge about blockchain. We learned so much from the two-day training or workshops that you rendered, that you shared with us. I firmly believe that you could help plenty of Filipinos, especially the graduates, the new ones, the newbies. Since the technology or the blockchain technology is very new, marami pa at sobrang dami pa ang ilalago natin gamit ito. Hopefully, you could continue teaching the young ones and then help them achieve better opportunities. Congratulations and thank you for coming.
I would like to extend my thanks to STI, Dean Frederick, and Richard Chu for giving us this opportunity to come here in STI and train the students here and introduce this amazing blockchain technology.